Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, ito yung part 2 na Grand Tour. So, ipakita ko pa sa inyo yung more video. Ayan po. Balik tayo dito sa music nila. Local music ng Grand Tour.
Oh my
God.
you wanna go with me,
I love it.
but I don't mind. You know, God's ain't cheap. See, I'm not like the younger guy. When you wanna go with me, she gotta be on time. Say you can't fish it, you must cut bait. If you can't do that, you have to stay on the shore and wait.
I love it.
There is one rule I almost overlooked. When she command the boat with me, she gotta know how to knock and jump. Say you can't fish it, you must cut bait. Let's rock it. You can't do that, you have to stay on the shore and wait. Didn't know you can't hook. If you wanna go with me, you gotta know how to knock and jump. Hey, come on, get it. Come on. Get it, work it, jig it, come on. Go in the boat with me, you gotta know how to knock and jump. When I'm going out, I need to watch the time. The day I go, sometimes I only go for a ride. I need a cooler fish head cap to pay for the gas. Got to run to hard time. Say you can't fish it, you must cut bait.
Paalam tayo muna.
If you can't do that, you have to stay on the shore and wait. And that way
Ang ganda rito talaga sa Grand Tour. Ayan. Puntahan pa natin yung iba pang spot dito sa Grand Tour Island. So, time check. Alas 12:58 ng tanghali or hapon. So, yan yung flag ng Grand Tour to. Nasa likod ko. So, British colonists. So, ang lawak. Ang ganda. So, mga gustong pumunta rito, may tindahan dito. Maraming tindahan na pwede nyong bilan ng souvenir. So, yan. Meron ditong jewelry. And then mga Starbucks. So, ito yung jewelry. Sarap ang lamig. So, jewelry ng dito sa Grand Tour. So, tingnan natin yung spot pa dito sa kabila. Galing tayo dun sa kabila kanina, tapos ipakita natin yung unahan kung nasaan yung beach din. Tapos sa inyong barko ng Royal Caribbean. So yung lifeguard nila dito, ayan o, lokal. So, ayan ang Grand Tour sa loob ng Grand Tour Village, like parang village. May Margaritaville. So ang ganda. Marami kayo pwedeng puntahan. Kaya it's time to relax at tawag dito, magpahinga rin. Ganda rin dito pahangin ba. Bagong ambience kumbaga. So yan ang tayo dito ulit.
Trying to see you, but like I can't see you like good. Like,
Ikot lang tayo. Actually, limited lang yung oras ko ang balik. Nakalabas ako ng meron akong time para lumabas 3 oras. So maya babalik rin tayo dito sa barko kung saan ang ating barko dito tayo nagtatrabaho. So ipakita ko lang ulit dito pa. So mga local na souvenir may mabibili kayo. Craft market tawag nila dito. Yan. So mga lokal na product. Yan, Lord and Caicos. So yan. Balik tayo.
This is the problem we got now, because you're doing too much.
Oh, ang ganda rin dito talaga.
Wait, I think it was this way.
Tingin ko may Harley rin pala dito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. So, pasok tayo dito sa Harley Davidson ng Grand Tour. So, sarap ang lamig. So, hanggang dito na lang. See you in the next video. Ciao, bye. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa aking YouTube channel. So, ipakita ko pa sa inyo ang more video at more destination na pwede natin puntahan pa sa mga susunod na video ko na ipapakita. So, hanggang dito na lang. Ciao, adios.